Hello, it's Victor from Florenscustoms, and we're gonna show you how to clean a leather seat, leather sofa, or any kind of leather with Lexol products. What we're gonna need is some microfiber towels, a brush, soft, very soft, and we're gonna use a vacuum from Ryobi. So first we're gonna use a cleaner, then we're gonna use a conditioner. First we're gonna clean it. This is a deep cleaner with a little bit of water, with the towel and the brush. Then we're gonna use the number two. The number two is the conditioner. Conditioner is gonna help you to have a smooth texture of the leather. So the first step is gonna be to remove all the dust from the sofa. For that I'm gonna use this Ryobi vacuum. It's an amazing machine because you can change the batteries. A lot of cordless vacuums you cannot use a lot of time. We have another brand before that the battery was gone and then you need to recharge the battery, so that's a good spec that you can change the battery if you have like 3 or 4 batteries, easy money. So we're gonna start cleaning all the corners, all the surfaces. We're gonna use these accessories. It came with different accessories, so these two are gonna be the perfect to do the tops, the surface, and then this for the spots, the hidden corners is gonna be amazing. Mix a little bit of soap with water because probably your sofa is gonna be, the leather is gonna be very dry. As soon as you remove the dust, the next step is gonna mix a little bit of the soap with a little bit of water. Don't do it as the instruction says. If you put that product ahead and you don't put a little bit of water, the problem is that the sofa is gonna absorb the soap and it's gonna make foam. So probably you can try it a little bit in a corner of the sofa and see how it works. Mixing a little bit like that is gonna make the foam and it's gonna be clean. So you're gonna do like that in all the sofa, like a massage to the complete sofa. The sofa is now clean with the foam. We made the foam, then we wipe it. That foam that you're removing is the dirt that your sofa makes. The dirt is gonna maybe look like the color of the sofa. Don't be worried because you're not gonna be removing the stain of that sofa. Use cleaning, okay? So after that, we're gonna use the conditioner. We're gonna shake it very well, and then you're gonna take a towel, put some conditioner in it, like that, and then you're gonna whip all the sofa. So then what you're gonna do is leave it like that, like 15 minutes to 20 minutes, let it dry, okay? Doesn't look that dry, and then you can see the difference, how shiny it is. It looks amazing. Then we're gonna sit this like for 15 minutes, 20 minutes more again, and then we're gonna whip it again to remove the extra conditioner that you have, because it's not gonna absorb all and you're gonna feel it like it's very soggy, a little soggy. So let it dry and then we're gonna clean it. As you can see, the sofa is drying up. It's looking pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with the results. And if you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.